Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies. As we begin with part 1, Preface, from A Rosicrucian Speaks by Joseph J. Weed. Preface, 1965. These talks were given originally to assemblies of Rosicrucian students in various cities of Canada and the United States. These students represented many different degrees of comprehension, so an attempt was made to provide in each lecture material which would provoke thought and a broader understanding on the part of all. Thus, everyone may read them with profit. The Rosicrucian Order, AMORC, is a teaching brotherhood. The present active dispensation in the United States was organized in 1915, but the order itself is very old. Its chief concern is in teaching and training its members to awaken dormant abilities within themselves and to realize more fully the great potential which exists in all of us. Most brain specialists agree that the average human brain uses less than 1/10 of his capacity for thought, attention, memory, intuition, and coordination. Today, many of us may be on the point of discovering or rediscovering the keys which will enable us to open within ourselves doors behind which a mass of new knowledge is awaiting us. It is the purpose of the Rosicrucian teachings to speed up this process in those that are ready and willing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.